Hello everyone, welcome to the Droid Guy. For today's video, we will teach you how to enable or disable administrator account. The purpose of an administrator account is to enable changes to certain aspects of the operating system that would otherwise be restricted to regular users. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to open CMD and run as administrator. So go to search bar and type in CMD. This is the best result. Right-click on command prompt and then select Run as administrator. Select Yes. Next, type net space, user space, administrator space / active : yes. Then hit enter. It says here, the command completed successfully. Then close the window. Next, go to the Start menu and click on the account icon. This one. Click on Sign Out. So you should see an administrator account option just like this one. You may choose to log into the administrator account. It may take a few seconds for you to log in. You just need to wait patiently. Now, once you are done with the administrator account and you want to disable it, you can sign into your regular account, then go to the search bar and type in CMD again. Right, click on this one. Then select Run as administrator. Type net space user space administrator space / active : no. The command has completed successfully, so now it is turned off. When you sign out to your account, there will be no option to switch to administrator account. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.